Dear friends, good morning. I have planned a series of lectures to help the teachers to make use of the Google facilities like Google Drive, Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Classroom to make their teaching learning processes more effective. So, in today's session, we will see how we can use the Google Drives, what are the Google Drives, how we can open the Google Drives, what are the different facilities available in the Google Drives. So, let's start our session with how we can open a Google Drive. So, to open a Google Drive, we have two ways. The first way, first of all, you have to sign into your Gmail account. The first, it is necessary that we have to sign into our Gmail account. Then we can type drive.google.com and we have to just click our drive below. Another way is that just open your Gmail. Then on these 9 dots, you have to click and your drive is present here. So by using these two ways, we can open our Google Drive. So the next thing, once the drive is open, the first thing we want to discuss how we can use this drive. So first, click on this plus new. So here are the things which we can do. So first of all, we will see how to create a folder. So I just click on the folder. Now let's name this folder as test folder, and I just create it. So you can see this folder is created here. Just simple plus new and folder. So our folder is created. Now the next option is file upload. Now we can upload the files in the Google Drive. So basically the Google Drive is just similar to your desktop. Now if we want to upload a file in this test folder. First of all, we'll open this test folder. You will see this test folder is blank. Now what we can do, we can upload the files here. So file upload, and we open it. It's just simple. Now let's suppose we want to upload this file, vision and mission. So just click on it. The file will be created. It is the same file as on your desktop. Let's suppose you want to upload another file, a PDF file. So let's suppose there is a PDF file. Yes, this engineering mathematics model. The same procedure. We just click on file upload. A pop-up window will come, and then your document can be uploaded. Just simple. Here you can see the uploading is going on. Maybe due to network issue, it is not uploaded. So let's try again. Finish uploading. Let's wait. So here the file is uploaded. Similarly, if you want to upload a video, you can upload the video also. Let's suppose go here. I have seen this. This is a video. Just click on it. Open. So you can see here the progress will show. It is a heavy file, so it may take time. So it will be uploaded in next 3, 4, 5 minutes. So from here we can upload the files. Next is we can upload the folders also. So let's click on this folder. Now we want to upload any of these folders. So on my desktop, all these folders are available. Now let's suppose I want to upload this new paper folder. I just click on it and then upload. This will folder, and here is the message. This will upload all the files from the new paper. Only do this if you trust the site. Yes, I want to upload it. And here the uploading process will start. So you can see here the folder is that in new paper, and this folder will contain all the files. Now the folder is okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the file uploading is started. 10 out of 12 files are already uploaded, and after a few seconds all the files are uploaded. I'm stopping this particular file to upload because it's of large size. So I'm just stop this. I cancel the upload here. So till now we see how to create a folder, then how we can upload a file, then how we can upload a folder also. Now let us try to see the few more things which we can do with the drives. So let's come back to our test folder. Now, if we want to see the information of a file, what we have to do, just click on this, and here you can right click on it, and here you can see the view details. So here the details come. So this file is not shared with anybody. This is of type Word. So here the type is Word. This is MS Word type file. Then size, storage, location, owner is me, modified date, open date, and all information is available here. Even we can add the description of the file here also. Similarly, the activities, if we have done any activity on this, that activities will be shown there. So in this way, if we click on any file, we can see the information about that file. Now let's suppose I want to see the information on, now let us take another example. So let's take this particular file, and I press on this. There are two ways to see the information. So I press on this eye icon. So I got the information about this spreadsheet that is entitled. Let's suppose we want to see this on vacancies. So here the details are. First go through the details. So the details are, this is of Google Sheet type. Now you can see here the surprising thing is the size is 0 and the storage usually also 0. Whereas in the previous case, when we are using the Word file, thus there is 13 KB in size. But when we are using Google Sheet, the size is just 0 bytes. Similarly, the location is my drive. Owner is me. It is last modified on 31st July by the Sukhdeep Singh, with which I have shared this particular sheet. This sheet is opened by me. This sheet is created by me. If I want to see the activities, so there are the activities done on this sheet. Similarly, if we click on this sheet, vision and mission, so the information about this sheet comes here. So you can see when the file type is Word, the size of this particular file is 13 KB. When the type is doc type, this is basically Google document type, Google Docs, then size is 0. So it is always recommended that we use the Google Doc on the place of MS Office Word, Google Sheet and at the place of Excel, and Google Slides at the place of MS Office PPTs. So by clicking on I, we can see the information about our files, the details as well as activities. So now let's see how we can move a file within the drives, within drive. Now let us suppose I want to move this file, which is vacancies, or let's suppose this particular untitled presentation, जो ये है. I want to move this particular file to my test folder. So what I can do, there are just I click on this. So here it is moved to. So I want to move this file to which place? Here my locations will come. So here are the folders available on my drive. So I want to move this file to a text folder. So I just click on text folder and move. So now let us see my text folder. So you can see here is the file. Now this particular file moved to my test folder. So similarly, I can rename this the files. Now let us I want to rename this particular file. So what we can do, just click on it again, and here is the option rename. I can name it. Now let's suppose it is bar chart 1, bar chart of marks of students. I just make the changes here, and you can see here the name of the file is changed. If I want to make the copy of this particular file, again we have to click on it. Here the option is make a copy. So click on it, and you see the copy of the file is created. Here the copy of the file is created. This is the copy and this is the original file. Then there is another interesting feature of the drives. Now let us see a certain Excel file. I want to show you something. Let us see. I have one file to show you, which is of Excel type. Let's the name of that file is sheet matrix. Okay. So let's go to the. I want to search. So that I want. Go to this file. Sheet matrix. Okay. So there is a file, Excel file. Now, if I go to the manage versions, so I want to see how many time I have uploaded this file. I can go to this manage files. Now you can see this file have two versions. One is created today at 8:58 p.m. Another is created on May 4 at 5:26 p.m. And now I want to add another version to this particular file. So what I have to do, upload new version. I click on this upload new version, and let's go to my desktop. So the file, same file is here. Just click on it, open, and you will see another version of the file will add. Now what is the benefit? So let's again open it. So now you can see this is the one version of the file. Now I want to see the another versions of the file. So I can click on this again, manage the versions. So let's suppose I want to see this current version. I will go to this. I can download this version. If I want to go this, I can download this version. And this, I can download this. And these versions will be available till 30 days. After 30 days, our previous versions will be deleted automatically. But I again say to avoid the use of the Excel files, because you can see if I click on this and press I, you can see the size of this particular file is 136. It is taking 136 KB because actually it is size is 48, but we have the three versions, so actually it is taking 136 KB of the size. And I have the same file in the Google Sheet, and here if I see the size is 0 bytes. So always use the Google Sheets. In next session, we will see the Google document and Google Sheets. So there we will see how to create Google Sheets. So the next feature in the Google Drives is, now again I go to the text folder. From here we can share our document with other people. Now let's suppose I want to share this document. So if I want to share this document, you can see here. Here it is signed share. So I will click on this. So let's suppose I want to share it with one mail, dean@dj.ac.in, and I want to drop a message also. Hello, please find the document and send. So let's open this particular mail. I can open here also. So let's open this particular mail only. So I make the sign in to my another mail ID, which is dn@dgi.ac.in. Password I put and 2009. And you can see I received a mail from the director mail ID that Vision Mission, hello, please find the document. If I open it, I will find the document. The same document. Now I can open it, I can download it. So whatever I want to do, I can do it. So the next thing, the important thing about the sharing, we'll discuss in detail when we use discuss the Google Docs and Excel, Google Sheets. Then we will discuss the sharing of the documents in details. So till now, the sharing part is just this much sharing part is enough. And one more thing I want to discuss with you: the settings of the Google Drive. So go to the settings. So in the settings, there is only one setting which can make the things very easy. Here, this is the setting convert uploads. So if I click this button, then whenever we will upload any Microsoft Office file, it will be automatically converted into a Google document. So I make this change, and then now again, yes, this is my test folder. Now let us try to upload a file here. Now file upload. Now we want to upload this file, say seat matrix. Seat matrix, open. I think I have not saved the settings. Settings. Convert file. Done. Now let's try again. I am just removing this file from here, and removing, we can just click on it and this delete button, then we can remove. So let's try to upload this file again. File upload. The same file, open. So you can see now here the file which is uploaded is not of Excel type, it is Google document. So either here we go to the details, and here you can see it is Google Sheets. So Google have automatically converted the Excel file into a Google Sheet if we make the changes in the settings. The only one set changes settings, and in settings you have to convert uploads pick and then done. So whenever you upload any Microsoft Office file, that file will be converted into the corresponding Google document. So this feature is amazing, and this will save you lots of space. If we talk about a personal email ID, in personal email ID we have just 15 GB data free in the Google Drives, and if we use this option to convert all the files automatically into the Google Drives, that we can optimally use that, but 15 GB data. So this is all which I want to discuss about the drives with you. And one last thing, in case of Google Drives, we can not make a copy of a folder. We can make a copy of the file, but we cannot make a copy of folder. Please remember it. We can make a copy of folder in the case of our when we use Windows, but in the case of drives, we cannot make a copy of a folder. This is important thing we should always remember. But yes, we can make the copies of the files. So this is all for the today's session. Thank you. In the next session, we will discuss about the Google Documents.